This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about the nitric oxide strategy for COVID. This is not a small strategy. This might be one of the most meaningful things you can do, and it's easy. Nitric oxide is made from the amino acid called arginine. And arginine has a little nitrogen group at the end, and you lop it off and you turn it into nitric oxide, which is a very evanescent hormone. It doesn't last very long. And it has many effects. It lasts in wound healing. It has involved men's erections. But what we want to know about it today is what's its effect on the spike protein and the ACE receptor for COVID. Well, it turns out when you get more arginine in your diet, nitric oxide turns off the reproduction of the COVID virus 87%. Now, this was done in the SARS family, but that's also another COVID virus, and that applies to the whole family. This is huge. We can reduce the multiplication of the virus by taking arginine. Now, it's a little tricky to take arginine by itself. It has some side effects, but you can take the key building blocks to making it on your own, citrulline or glutamine, 5 grams of each. Take more. You'll make more. 87% is huge. And to merit its use, the mastermind peptide crowd that has come up with a protocol for treatment of COVID has the use of glutamine and citrulline at least 5 grams a day for anybody who's sick. It's not an insignificant finding. This is using food to treat the virus. Cheap, effective, we'll all get through this. Dr. John Whitcomb, the nitric oxide theory of how to treat COVID.